How to unmute a conversation in Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account linked to your Google Voice number. On the left hand side, you will find the archive section. Click on it to see all the conversations you have previously archived. Find the conversation you want to unmute or bring back to your inbox. Click to open that conversation. In the upper right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the options menu. From the drop-down, select Unarchive or Move to Inbox. This will bring the conversation back to your main inbox and restore notifications. Once unarchived, the conversation will appear in your active message list and you will receive new message alerts as usual. Now you know how to unmute a conversation in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.